Okay, so look at here, we learn uh, subtending angle theorem. Look at here, this one. A, B, then this one. We learn this one, right? Okay, what do you learn? This center angle AOB equal to 2 times of angle APB, right? Okay, this one you learn. Okay, write the theorem. The angle subtended by an arc. The angle subtended by an arc. The angle subtended by an arc. The angle subtended by an arc of a circle. The angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the 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 at any point at any point on the remaining part of circle, at any point on the remaining part of the circle, at any point on the remaining part of the circle, at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Clear now? Again, the angle subtended, look at here, the angle subtended by an arc, the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Okay, draw this figure. Then write angle AOB equal to 2 times of angle AOB equal to 2 times of angle APB. Angle AOB equal to 2 times of angle APB. Angle AOB equal to 2 times of angle APB. Okay. Second theorem, angles in the same segment of a circle. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. That means here, look, this angle APB passing through A and B. Another angle like this passing here, Q. Then R or S. Another one, X. Okay, see, look at here. These all angles, hello, these all angle passing through A and B. Correct or no? These all angle passing through A and B. So it is called what? Angle in the same segment. Angles in the same segment, right? Angles in the same segment are equal. Angles in the same segment are equal. And draw this figure. We did this all. Okay, it's not new. Correct or no, Ahmed? We did this all questions. I'm just repeating only. Okay. Okay, draw this one. Okay. Okay. Theorem. Angles in the same segment are equal. 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 Okay. Next question. Next theorem. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is 90. 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 Okay. This one. Right. Okay. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Next one. Right. Cyclic quadrilateral. Next one. Cyclic quadrilateral. CYCLIC. Cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. What do you call? Cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Right. A quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is called. A quadrilateral is called. A quadrilateral is called a cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is called a cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is called a cyclic quadrilateral if it all vertices lie on a circle. If all vertices lie on a circle. If all vertices lie on a circle. This is the one. A quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral. Right. A quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral. Listen, a quadrilateral is called a cyclic quadrilateral if its all vertices lie on a circle. A quadrilateral is called a cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is called a cyclic quadrilateral if all vertices lie on a circle. If all vertices lie on a circle. Okay, clear now. Then, right. Opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. That means angle A plus angle C equal to 180. Angle B plus angle D equal to 180. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. Okay, that means A plus C 180, B plus D 180. Okay. Then right. Last theorem. If one side of a cyclic quadrilateral if one side of a cyclic quadrilateral, if one side of a cyclic quadrilateral, if one side of a cyclic quadrilateral, if one side of a cyclic quadrilateral is produced, if one side of a cyclic quadrilateral is produced, then the exterior angle is equal to, then the exterior angle is equal to, then the exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. Okay. Look at here. An exterior, if one angle of, sorry, if one side of a cyclic quadrilateral is produced, once again, if one side of a, if one side of a cyclic quadrilateral, if one side of a cyclic quadrilateral is produced, then the exterior angle is equal to, then the exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angle. Then the exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angle. If one side of a, if one side of a cyclic quadrilateral is produced, then the exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angle. Okay, look at here. Here, you draw another figure, we extend this one. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. So we are shown that angle 1 equal to angle 2. Right. What you are shown? Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior opposite angles. Okay, I'll show this one. You mark it here 3. You know that angle 1 plus angle 3, 180, number 1. Angle 3 plus angle 2 also 180, linear pair. So what? Angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to angle 3 plus angle 2. 3 cancel. So 1 equal to 2. So 1 equal to 2. Okay. It's clear now. Okay, just take 5 minutes. Just go through all the theorem what we did today. Just check it now. Okay. So next class we do the triangles revision questions. Okay. Today you're preparing for the test, so then easy for you. Pratyana, we have test today. Okay. Hello, Pratyana. Okay. Okay, check this theorem now. Hello, check this theorem first. Then I can do next question. Okay. Take listen each theorem, check with the figure. If not getting, ask me. Okay. Then I can do the question. First theorem, subtending angle is half of the center angle. Then angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Then angles of same segment are equal. Then cyclic quadrilateral. Check it now. Okay, check now. Then I can do the next question. Okay, finished now. So let me start the question. Hello. Theorem all check. Theorem check now. Hello. Check the theorem. Then only I can do the question. The question is based on theorems. Arnav. Okay. I'll wait. Arnav. Okay, check the theorem. Lavagidasha, Adav, Advait. Check the theorem. Okay. Because then only I can do the question. Okay. We did once this one. Okay. Okay, so now look at here. I'll show the theorems again. Look, theorem number one. Look at here. Hello, theorem number one. The subtending angle is half of the center angle. Look at here. Look, the subtending angle is half of the center angle. Listen. Suppose this is the angle here, center angle. AOB. This angle 60, this will be 30. This also 30. Any angle here, 30. This all will be 30. Okay. This is called the first theorem. Subtending angle is half of the center angle. Second theorem, angle in a semicircle is 90. So here is the diameter. This angle is 90. Why? Because this angle is 180. 180 half is 90. Third theorem, angle in the same segment are equal. So like this. This all will be equal. Fourth one, cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. This is called cyclic quadrilateral. Its opposite angle is 180. Okay. So now, look at here. Here, question now, right? Take page. Hello, everyone. Take the reader. Take the reader, page 184. Take the reader, page 184. Take it fast. Okay. Not it. Not it. Write the question. Okay. Page 184. Page 184. Question number 1. Okay. Look at here. Hello. Listen here. In figure, ABC are 3 points on the circle. Look at here. Hello. Look. In figure, ABC are A, B, C. A, B, C are 3 points on the circle with center O, such that angle BOC 30. Angle BOC 30. This one is 30. Okay. Angle AOB 60. AOB 60. Okay. D is a point on the circle. D is a point on the circle. Find angle ADC. Find angle ADC. This angle we have to find out. Okay. Draw first. You have to draw the figure. Okay. Page number 184. Page 184. Exercise 10.5. 10.5. Now you write the question, right? Question number and all. But figure should be there. Okay. Okay. Try now. Okay. Okay. How much you got? 45. Correct or no? Look. Here 90. 90 is half here. How much that? AOC, ADC equal to 45 degree. ADC equal to 45 degree. You just write the reason. Subtending angle is half of the center angle. Subtending angle is half of the center angle. Clear now? Are you okay all? I hope everyone okay, right? Okay. So next question. Is it okay? Now I'm going to the next question. Try question number 2. Question number 2 now. First, okay. So we have to finish it. We have to finish it today. This one. Then I'll start the revision for DPS exams. Okay. Triangle and surface area volumes. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Okay, you just look at the question and then I'll explain here. Okay, this all we did once. Okay. Okay, now look at here. Question number 2. Look, a chord of a circle. A chord of a circle is equal to radius circle. A chord of a circle. A chord of a circle is equal to the radius. A chord of a circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Okay. AOB. A chord of a circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Find the angle subtended by the chord. Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc. Find the angle subtended by the chord at the minor arc. Look here. A chord is equal to the radius. A, O here, B here. This chord is equal to the radius. This equal to this one. Then the question is find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc. This one. This angle P and this angle Q. This angle and this angle we have to find out. Okay. Try now. Hello. Angle P we have to find out. Angle Q also we have to find out. If it is a P find, then we can find out Q. No problem. Okay. Try first. Okay, finish it first. Q is 100. Why 100? Look, hello. This angle, this all equal. So this angle 60. Correct or no? Right? If it is 60, this will be 30. So how much this one? 150. 30 and 150. We're all got. 30 and 150. Reason what? Right. AB equal to OA equal to OB given because chord AB is equal to the radius. Okay, you write that one. AB equal to OA equal to OB given. Understood now? AB equal to OA equal to OB given. Therefore, triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. AOB is an equilateral triangle. Hence, angle AOB 60. AOB 60. Therefore, angle Q equal to 30. Reason. Subtending angle is half of the center angle. Subtending angle is half of the center angle. Okay. After that, QBP is a cyclic quadrilateral. A Q B P is a cyclic quadrilateral. So Q plus P 180. So this is 150. Lohidasha, clear now? If not getting, ask. Okay, finish. Anyone had doubt? If you have doubt, tell me now. Okay, this is the second time we are doing this. Okay, if it is finished, you can start question number 3. Then question number 3. Repeat the last part. Okay, look. This angle 60. You got this angle 60. Angle AOB 60, you got it. Okay. 60 is half is here. AQB. 60 is half is angle AQB. Why? Subtending angle is half of the center angle. Right? After that, angle P 150. Why? Q plus P 180 degree. Cyclic quadrilateral. So this is 150. Okay, now you can try question number 3. Try question number 3. Okay, finish. Now question number 3. Question number 3, I didn't start. No, Sham. Sham, your exam all over. Okay, now next is what? Sham, next is what? Social when? When? Sunday? Okay. So question number 3, look at here. Question number 3. Okay. In figure, angle PQR 100. Angle PQR PQR 100. Okay. Then O here. Okay. PQR 100. Then in figure, angle PQR 100. P and Q are points on a circle. P and Q are points on a circle with center O. Find angle OPR. Find angle OPR. This angle we have to find out. Find angle OPR. Okay. Draw figure. Look at here. Hello. Easy one. Look. Here this angle 100. You just make any point here. S. Join this. How much this angle? 80. Correct or no? You just listen. Mark a point on the circle. Say S and join PS and this one. Okay. Then, so here 80. This is 40. Okay. Correct or not? So otherwise another method. This is 200. No, wrong I think. Yeah. No, this is 160. Okay. Here 160. Otherwise another method is there. Look, another method is this angle 200. This is 200. So here 360. Which one you want? Two method there is. Hello. Two method there is. Without S, we can find out. Reflex of angle POR. Look, reflex of angle POR. This angle is 200. Why? 100 here, 200 here. So this is 160. Otherwise, easiest way, you just make it one point here, like this. So this is 80 given. Now here 100, here is 80. Cyclic quadrilateral. 80 is double here, 160. Then after that, in triangle OPR. In triangle OPR, OP equal to OR. OP equal to OR. Correct or no? Then you learn in triangle, you learn angle opposite equal sides are equal. This is X. This also X. X plus 160 equal to 180. So 2x equal to 20. X equal to 10. X equal to 10. So this angle is 10. Okay. Clear now? Divya. Dia. Hello. Is it okay? If you're not getting, ask. Okay. Angle OPR 10 degree. Yes. OPR 10 degree. Hello. Dia, you got? No, Dia. Divya, got? Now, clear or not? Arnav, Divansh, Advait, Adav, Andrew, Jacob, Matthew. And Andrew, two Andrew there is, right? Okay. Okay, so then you can try question number 4. Then try question number 4. Question number 4. Try fast. Take your time. Listen now. We did only 3 questions now. Make sure these 3 questions because each question tough only. Okay. So now question number 4. Make a figure and think about it. How to find out angle BDC. Okay. Finish. Question number what? 4. Okay. Look at here now. Hello. I'll show them. In figure, A here, D here, B, C. Okay, look at here. Angle BAC is 69. BAC. ABC. This full angle is 69. ACB 31. Okay. We have to find out angle D. Okay. Simple. I'll tell you the idea. Look, 69, 31. You can find this one. How much? Angle A equal to 180 minus of 69 plus 31. How much? 180 minus 100. So this is 80. Okay. Now look at here. Our requirement is D. Look. Hello. Listen. Our requirement is D. D is passing through B and C. Correct or no? Angle D passing through. Hello. This way you have to think about it. Look. Hey, listen. Angle D passing through B and C, correct? Any other angle passing through B and C? Any angle passing through B and C? Which one? Angle A, correct or no? Angle A also passing, correct? Angle A also passing through B and C, but A is 80, so this also 80. Reason what? Angle in the same segment. Angle is in the same segment. Angles in the same segment. Are you okay? Clear or not? Clear or not? Get the angle. Get angle A, and angle A equal to angle D. Reason is angles in the same segment. Advait. Okay. Then you can check number 5. Question number 5. So now question number 5. Okay, so now you try question number 5. Question number 5. Hello. Try question number 5. Okay, question number 5, getting or not? Yes. How much? 110. Yes, correct. Ahmed, 110, correct. Look at here. Hello. Question number 5, if not getting, ask. You try yourself first. Ahmed, you can try question number 6. No problem. Ahmed, you can try question number 6. Okay. Everyone, make sure question number 5. Yes, 110. 110. Okay, I'll give a hint. Look at here. Angle C equal to angle B. Look, those not getting, listen. Angle C, 20. 20 is passing through A and D. B also, angle ABD, B, passing through A and that's why that also 20. Okay. Now, angle AEB, how much? 50. Angle AEB, 50, linear pair. So now 50, 20. How much this one? 50 plus 20, 70. So A is 110. Clear or not? Angle A is 110. Are you okay? Adav, is it okay? Arnav, Lohidasha. Murdula. Okay, so now finish question number 5. Then question number 6. Try question number 6. Question number 6. Don't waste the time. If not getting, I'll show this one. Okay. Prityansh, Prityana, you getting or not? Prityana, hello. Are you getting or not? Okay. If not getting, ask. explain question number 6. Okay. Look at here. Question number 6. I'll show here. Hello. Listen all. Question number 6. Look. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. A, B, C, D. Okay, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, the diagonal intersect at the point E. E is not the center. Okay, diagonal intersect the point E. Angle DBC 70. DBC 70. Okay. Angle BAC 30. This is 30. Find angle BCD. BCD, this angle. Okay. Okay. Then, okay, after that we have another BCD. Okay, look at here. Look, here this is 30. Look, 30 is passing through B and C. Look at here. 30 is passing through B and C. This also passing through B and C. So now what? In triangle BCD 70, 30. So how much? 80. Are you okay now? Other. Look. Look. Hey, listen. Come on. Angle BAC 30. Angle BAC 30. That 30 is passing through B and C. Look at the figure. 30 is passing through B and C. D also passing through B and C. So this is 30. After that, in triangle BDC 70, 30. So that angle is 100. No, 80. 80. Right? Is it okay? BCD is 80. Okay. Right up to that. Okay, right up to that. The second part also here. Okay, right like this. Angle BAC equal to angle BDC. Angle BAC equal to angle BAC equal to angle BDC. Angle same segment equal to 30 degree. Okay, in triangle BDC, 30 plus 70 plus BCD equal to 100, 180. Angle in a angle sum property of a triangle. Therefore, angle BCD 80. Okay, so now second part. If AB equal to BC, find angle ECD. ECD. Okay. Okay. Now look at here. Hello. Here in triangle ABC, they are telling you this angle and this angle equal. AB equal to BC. So 30 here, 30 here. Okay. Already angle BCD 80. So what is this one? 50. Finish. Simple. Okay, right. I'll give a note. Right. AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC. Given. AB equal to BC given. Therefore, angle BAC equal to angle BCA. Angle BAC equal to angle BCA equal to 30. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. Therefore, okay, now angle BCD 50. So angle BCD 80. We proved. BCD 80 proved. Therefore, ACD how much? 50. ACD or ECD. ECD equal to 50. Okay. Now we try question number 7. Question number 7. Okay. Now try question number 7. Okay. Now look at here. Question number 7. Come on, easy question. Listen here. If diagonal of a cyclic quadrilateral are diameters of a circle through the vertices of the quadrilateral, prove that it's a rectangle. Okay. Look. AOC, hello, check the figure. AOC is a diameter. So angle D how much? 90 degree. Y, angle in a semicircle. Similarly, angle B 90 degree, angle in a semicircle. Okay, BOD is a diameter. So angle C 90 degree. Then angle A 90 degree. All angle 90 degree, it is a rectangle. Finish. Are you okay? Hello. Once again, AOC is a diameter. So angle ABC 90 degree, angle in a semicircle. Similarly, angle ADC 90 degree. Okay. Next, BOD is a diameter. So angle C 90 degree, angle in a semicircle. Similarly, angle A 90 degree. Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle. Okay. Now, after that, question number 8. 8 is the most important question. Okay. Question number 8. Question number 8 we are going to do. Just wait. That's others trying. Okay, Pratyana, wait. Question number 8 also. Okay, just wait. Okay. Look at here now. I'll show this one. Okay. Look. This is star question. Okay, put a star mark. If non-parallel sides of trapezium are equal, non-parallel sides of trapezium are equal, prove that it is cyclic. Prove that it is cyclic. Look at here. Cyclic means what? One pair of opposite angles supplementary. Then we can say cyclic quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. Hello. Look at here. How to show, hello, listen here. How to show cyclic quadrilateral means you just show angle A plus angle C 180 or B plus D 180. That's enough. Similar one question we did in quadrilateral. Hey, hello, listen. You show that A plus C 180 or B plus D 180. That's enough. Okay, now look at here. Given is what? ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC and AD equal to BC. Okay, write that one. Right, given. Draw figure. Okay, right. Given ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC and AD equal to BC. To prove ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, that is angle A plus angle C 180 or angle B plus angle D 180. Clear or not? Up to here, okay or not? Is it okay? What is given? What you have to prove? Okay. Now, listen. There is a Chota construction. Listen here. Don't write. Through C, draw a line parallel to DA like this. Through C, draw a line parallel to this one. Okay. Right. Construction. Through C, draw a line parallel to DA. Parallel to DA. Okay, now we understood what is given, what you have to prove, what is the construction. Because this is the most important question. This, okay. Okay, now don't write that. Stop. Listen here. DC parallel to AE given. CE parallel to DA by construction. Therefore, AECD is what? AECD is what? AE parallelogram. Correct or no? It is a parallelogram. Correct? Okay, write that. DC parallel to AE given. DC parallel to AE given. AD parallel to EC by construction. AD parallel to EC by construction. Therefore, AECD is a parallelogram. AECD is a parallelogram. Bracket, right? Opposite angles are parallel. Every time you should write the reasons. Otherwise, they cut the marks. Then don't cry for after the exam and all. You miss the marks and all. I got half mark like that. Okay. Okay, clear now? DC parallel to AE, AD parallel to EC, therefore AECD is a parallelogram. Okay, listen here. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Sorry, opposite sides are equal. AD equal to EC. Okay, number one. But AD equal to BC given, number two. Correct or no? It is given. Therefore, EC equal to BC, right? Okay, write this one. AD equal to EC. AD equal to EC, number one. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. AD equal to EC, number one. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. But AD equal to BC given. AD equal to BC given, number two. From 1 and 2 we get, from 1 and 2 we get AD equal EC equal to BC. EC equal to BC. Okay. Everyone, hello. All check up to here. Not finished. Up to here, check it now. Make sure. Read what is given. Hello. Read the question. What is given? What you have to prove? What is the construction? Then till here you check it. Then only you can proceed further. Okay. So right up to here. Okay. Up to here, okay, clear or not? Okay, now look at here. You got EC equal to BC. Listen here. EC equal to BC. So this angle X, this also X. Why? Don't write now. Don't write. Angle opposite equal sides are equal. Angles opposite equal sides are equal. Okay. What about this angle? Angle AEC how much? AEC how much? Anyone? 180 minus X. 180 minus X. What about D? What about D? 180 minus X. Why? Parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Okay. Now we check D and B. D plus B, how much? 180 minus X plus X, how much? 180. Therefore, it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, right now. Continue. Angle CEB, angle CEB equal to angle B. Angle CEB equal to angle B. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Let angle CEB equal to angle B equal to X. Let angle CEB equal to angle B equal to X. Okay. Therefore, angle CEA 180 minus X. CEA 180 minus X. Linear pairs. Okay. Then angle CEA equal to angle D. 180 minus X. Angle CEA equal to angle D 180 minus X. Bracket, right? In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Hence, angle D plus angle B. Angle D plus angle B equal to 180 minus X plus angle X equal to 180. 180 minus X plus X equal to 180. Therefore, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Okay, check now. Hello, check all. Again, Marsuk, what I said. EC equal to BC, we got it. Therefore, angle CEB, look at the figure. CEB equal to angle B. Angle opposite equal sides are equal. Therefore, angle ECB equal to angle B equal to X. Here is 180 minus X. This 180 minus X, this also 180 minus X. Because in parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Now you check it. D plus B, 180 minus X plus X equal to 180. Okay, now you check it now. Okay. Okay. Is it okay now? Then, if you are sure, then try question number 9. Question number 9. Okay. Then question number 9. This is also star question. Okay. Okay. Question number 9. Okay. So this question, look at here. Question number 9. Look at here. Question number 9. Look. Here, it's a very simple question. Figure it will complicated one. Okay. Look. Two circles intersect at the point B and C. B and C. Through B, two line ABD. 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 And PBQ. 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 Okay. Are drawn to intersect the point at A, BD, and PBD. Okay. Prove that angle ACP equal to angle QCD. QCD. This angle equal to this angle. We have shown that angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay, draw first. Okay. Make it one big circle, one small circle, then easy to draw. Okay. Okay. Look at here. Hello. The figure, you got it? Got the figure or not? One big circle and one small circle. Intersecting at the point. Okay, intersecting the point B and C. One line PBQ. Straight line. Make it straight line, don't bend. PBQ, ABD should be straight line. Then only we will get it. Okay, should be straight line. Okay, because we are using that property, so should be straight line. Okay, and try now. It's very easy because it will complicate wrongly. Okay. Okay. It's getting or not? Okay, still doing. Okay. Okay. Anybody got? Lohidasha, you got? Okay. Okay. Finish. Okay. Look at here. Hello. Look. This angle one. Look at here. Angle one passing through A and P. So this also passing. Look. Angle one equal to angle three. Is that here? One is passing through A and P. And look at the figure. Angle one passing through A and P. 3 also passing through A and P. So 1 equal to 3. Similarly, 2 passing through D and Q. So 2 equal to 4. Angle 2 equal to angle 4. This is all same segment. Okay, but 3 and 4 equal. Correct or not? Why 3 and 4 equal? Why vertically opposite angles? Hence, 1 equal to 2. Finish. Okay, mark it. I'll give the note. Mark it. You mark it 1, 2, 3, 4. Then write. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Wait. Angle 1 equal to angle 3. Angle 1 equal to angle 3. Angles in the same segment. Angles in the same segment. Call it number 1. Then angle 2 equal to angle 4. Angle 2 equal to angle 4. Angles in the same segment. But angle 3 equal to angle 4. But angle 3 equal to angle 4. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay. Now, one more question. You can finish now. Question number 10. Simple question. Question number 10 also you can finish it now. Okay. Question number 10. Okay. Okay, look at here. A circle, look at here. If circles are drawn, taking two sides of a triangular diameter. Here one circle, another circle here, like this. Okay. Prove that the point of intersection of this line on the third side. Okay. So we are sure that BDC is a straight line. We are sure that BDC is a straight line. BDC is a straight line. Simple. Look at here. Angle D, how much? ADB 90 degree. Because AB is a diameter. So angle in a semicircle. This side also 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle. 90 plus 90, 180. Therefore, BDC is a straight line. Okay. So now circle is finished. Okay. In case time gets, I'll do again some more questions, revision questions. Okay. Then Sunday, I'll do the listen, Akshaya. AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter. Therefore, angle ADB 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle. Similarly, AC diameter, angle ADC 90 degree. So 90 plus 90, 180. Therefore, ADC is a straight line. Okay. So Sunday, I'll do some question from triangles. Okay, your test questions. Okay, sorry, your school exams coming now. Okay, revision will start. Okay, this is enough today.